Part 2 of your Alberta Tenant Rights Guide. What your landlord is legally required to repair. What it actually takes to evict you, not just what landlords threaten. And how to use the RTDRS if your landlord ignores their obligations. Your landlord is legally required to maintain the unit in a habitable condition. That includes structural integrity, working heat, plumbing, and any appliances included in your lease. If something breaks and the landlord refuses to fix it, you can apply to the RTDRS for an order requiring them to act. Keep all requests in writing so you have a paper trail. A landlord cannot evict you without legal grounds. The most common one is substantial breach, a serious violation of the tenancy agreement. One late rent payment does not meet that threshold. A single noise complaint does not either. If a landlord threatens eviction without legal grounds, the threat has no force. Know the difference between a legal notice and an intimidation tactic. If a landlord violates your rights and won't fix it, the RTDRS is your recourse. It is faster and cheaper than court. File online at rtdrs.alberta.ca, pay the applicable fee, serve the application on the landlord, and attend the hearing with your evidence. A tenancy dispute officer makes a legally binding decision. Start with free tenant resources at squarefeet.ca.